Did you know that over 70% of people believe AI can't create stunning visuals? Well, today we're about to challenge that misconception. Can AI really transform a simple image into something breathtaking? Let's find out. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI image editing on Fiverr. This trend is blowing up, and it's not just a gimmick. Many creatives are discovering how powerful AI can be for elevating their images. So let's explore this together. Now, let's talk about the common struggles we all face when it comes to editing images. First off, time is a huge issue. If you're like me, you might have a million things on your plate and not enough hours in the day. Then there's the technical side. Maybe you don't have the skills to use complex editing software, or you just don't want to spend hours learning. And let's not forget the creativity block many of us hit when trying to come up with fresh edits. It can be super frustrating. So, how do we tackle these challenges? That's where AI comes into play. Alright, let's get into the fun part. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use an AI tool on Fiverr for image editing. First, we'll hop onto Fiverr and find a reliable AI image editing service. Once we've settled on one, we upload our original image. The best part? Most of these services come with a simple interface that even a total newbie can navigate. After selecting the style we want, like a trendy retro vibe or a sleek modern look, we hit the submit button and let the AI work its magic. It's like having a pro editor on speed dial. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can see just how seamless and straightforward it is. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here's the original image I uploaded. And drum roll, please. Here's the edited version. Wow, right? Just look at that transformation. The colors pop, the details are sharper, and the whole vibe is just elevated. It's unbelievable how a little AI magic can take a basic image and turn it into something that looks like it belongs in a gallery. Seriously, I was shocked at the effectiveness of this tool. So, to wrap it all up, using AI for image editing can really save you time and enhance your results. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone looking to spice up their personal photos, AI tools from Fiverr can make a world of difference. Plus, you don't need to be a tech whiz to get stunning results. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried AI editing before? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about creative tech and tips, don't forget to check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button for more exciting content, and I'll see you next time.